This one is USB antenna. This one is 4G antenna. This one is R4A 4G SIM slot cable. This one is GPS antenna. This one is Bluetooth rear view antenna. This one is CAN box. This wire harness is power cable. This one is audio output cable. This central control screen designed for 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord is featured a 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2400 x 896, powered by an octa-core UIS 7870 processor. It's equipped with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. How to switch the USB 3 interface easily. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drag the car to change the position. Long press the 3-dot button on the top and then you can change the position freely as you like. How to enlarge the car side. You can see a button on the side. Long press this button and drag it out, and you can drag the car to change its position, and you can drag it to enlarge the car to try its original size. How to change the content of the cars. The content of these 3 cars can all be replaced. Tap this icon and packaging selection and choose the app or things or content you want. Another 2 ones can be replaced too. Swipe down and you can enter the drop-down menu. Here you can see the screensaver is very beautiful. Also, you can adjust the brightness and the value of the central control screen here. This is the night mode for you. How to change the theme of the original car interface. Don't press the menu and you can enter this here. There are 16 for you. You can choose one you like and back. How to customize the start bar. Don't press any icon on the start bar and then any one you want. Tap the menu and then you can see there are so many app here. Look at the first part, local app. Look at the equalizer. This one is the DTS equalizer and different comes all style for you. This one is sound field setting, 4 mode for you. This one is surround sound, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, bass boost, sound filtering. Look at the video player. Here you can watch the video in the car. Tap this icon into the small window mode. Look at the setting. Here there are so many functions for you. This first one is the wireless network. You can connect your Wi-Fi here. This one is the GPS info. In general, different kind of function for you to adjust. And factory, enter the factory with the password 3668. This one is the wire setting. This one is the protocol setting. Different kind of function for you to adjust. Display here, you can adjust the brightness of the day here and the night here. And 2 things for you. This is the sound. Here you can adjust the sound mixing scale. App storage. You can see how many storage you are free now. Locations, password, and system. Here you can change the language by absent language or just tap it one more time and you can change it into the language you like. Look at the media. This is the music player here. It's the pick link and go to the next song or the private song. This one is the radio, FM and AM 2 option for you. This is the Bluetooth music. After connect your phone, can listen the phone music in the car. This one is the online postcard and so many different kinds of postcard for you. Look at the Google Map. Here you can search for the destination you want and then direction, just like restaurant, and see this is the information of the restaurant. Let's see the YouTube. Here you can watch so many different kinds of video here and the short video just like this. This is the Play Store. Here there are so many different kinds of games for you to download in the central control screen and the app and search for the app you want and sign internet through here. You can download the one you are interested in to see in the top. Tap the CarPlay. After connect your phone, you can see there are so many phone app in the stereo content screen. Look at the setting. Here you can change the wallpaper into the color you like. Set, and then see, this is the song player. Here you can go next to the next song and the private song. And also you can see the map here is very clear for you.